So in the last video, we talked about how you could convert an active selection into an alpha channel. In this one, we're going to talk about how you make an active selection from an alpha channel itself. So in this image here, I actually want to shorten the stem of this flower, so I'm actually going to paint black in the area below here. And then now I'm ready to go ahead and load this as an active selection. So one way to go about doing that is to go into the select menu and go to load selection. And we're using this same document. Alpha 1 is the current alpha channel that we're going to be loading. I don't need to invert it because right now it's showing me that the active area of the image is white. If it were inverted and the background was white and the flower was black, then I would need to go ahead and check invert so it makes sure the right area was selected. New selection, I'm going to click OK. Now it makes that area active as a selection. If I go back into my channels and let's do something like Command or Control J, and copy that selected area to its own layer. Now another method for loading that selection as that alpha channel as an active selection is going into the channels itself and just going down to that alpha channel icon and holding down the Command key on Mac, Control on Windows, and clicking directly on that preview icon, and it does the same thing, loads that channel as an active selection. Also, you can go down here at the very bottom of the channels palette, and that very first icon, this little dotted circle, click on that if you have the right alpha channel selected, of course, and then click on that, it will also load it as an active selection as well. So basically 3 different ways to go about loading your channels or alpha channels as active selections here in Photoshop.